Okay, so you're using Adobe Premiere Pro, you have your template saved, you've been using it for a while, and suddenly, you get missing media for these clips. Most annoying dialogue in the world. You say cancel. Look like something got modified, and you save it. You close it and you go back, and surprise, surprise, the problem returns. So how do you resolve this? So let's go to cancel, edit, remove unused. Save. Now let's go back. Problem solved. No more crazy, annoying dialogue. No more crazy, annoying dialogue window. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. Please subscribe. Bye bye.